Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel. So, I bought these 5 Matchbox moving parts cars from local Walmart store today. Was really excited to see them because I haven't seen new moving parts in quite a while. So yeah, was really excited to get these 5. Um, they're numbered out of 50. So what that means is Matchbox will be making 50 different moving parts cars in total this year. So that'll be cool to see what the next few ones are. Um, So yeah, the ones I got are the 1961 Jeep FC, the 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, the Toyota FJ Land Cruiser, or FJ Cruiser, the 1950 Chevrolet Suburban, the 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8 Stingray. I will be back shortly with all the cars opened. Almost done. There's just one more car that has to get opened, so um you pretty much heard what I said about being back shortly with the cars open. Well, I still do have one more to open, and that's the Suburban. Alright, so there's all 5 cars open from this new release of Matchbox moving parts from this year. Bye everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you liked and enjoyed this toy car Matchbox moving parts diecast cars unboxing opening video. And also have a great rest of your weekend, everyone.